Have you ever wondered how people download TikTok video without watermark? Have you ever scrolled and this video looks familiar, like you saw it on TikTok and yet you're seeing it here on YouTube? Have you ever wondered how they download it without watermark? Have you? So stay with me so that I can take you on how you can actually download these videos without watermark. My name is Mary Adi. If you're new here, you're most welcome. If you're my returning subscriber, I bow for you. Thank you so much for always watching my video. It really helps. Keep watching ads. Monetized. So basically, we are going to download. First of all, I'm going to show you on how you can go and download a video and it will have a watermark. Okay. So basically, I have two methods on how you can actually download these videos without watermark, and also the links are going to be in my bio. So if you cannot search it, just go in my bio, click on it, go to copy the link and go ahead and download whatever you want. So the reason why I'm saying that, even if it is your video, even if it is your video that you have uploaded on TikTok, but still you want to, maybe it was long time ago and you want to post it on YouTube and you post it with watermark, is not nice. Okay, it's not nice at all. What you have to do is you have to go and download this video without watermark so that it will really look original. You understand? Because if it has watermark, actually it doesn't give hard time to YouTube to know that this video is not for you. Basically, because some of us, we use different names from different platform. Like you find me, I'm called another name on YouTube, on Facebook, another name on TikTok, another name on Instagram, another name on YouTube. So if you go there and download a video, the watermark that it comes with it is not even your name here on YouTube. So YouTube will think this is not your original content, and YouTube hates watermarks. So basically, you first go to TikTok app. You first go to TikTok app. Okay, once you click on TikTok app, like I want to download this lady video, I will just come here and just go there, and you see here, copy the link. You copy the link. Don't download direct. If you download direct, you're gonna have watermark. So what you do, you copy the link. The link is over here. You tap on it like copy. Okay, once you tap on copy, you go back to your Google. Once you come to Google, you type in you type in T TikTokyo. TikTokyo. Okay. Even it is here because I've been using it. TikTokyo dot no not T okay, or .com is here. Alright, this will help you. Even if it is your video, you can download it without watermark. So you search it, it will come. So once you search it, TikTokyo is here. So what you do is you paste in the link that we just copied on TikTok. So you paste that link in this TikTokyo, then you download. You tap on download. Once you tap on download, it's here. Once you tap on download, it's gonna show you download with watermark, download without watermark, download, So just say download without watermark, the first one. Once you tap on the first one, it's downloading. It's there downloading. Yes. Now if we open it, let's open it. So this, once we go in our gallery right now, it's already in our gallery. Let's go check it. It doesn't have any watermark. When you go to your gallery, okay, once you go in your gallery, it's here. see, it doesn't have any watermark. So the second one, we're gonna go again on our TikTok app. Okay, then you go back to Google. Once you go back to Google, you type in snap snaptic snaptic, okay, dot snaptic, you space dot com, okay, then search. Once you search, it's gonna show you over here that TikTok, you click on the first option. Once you click on the first option, don't mind this one, there is a max here that you can actually just turn it off. After that, you paste in the link. Just tap on paste the link that you just copied, or let me just use my way. Okay, you paste in the link and tap on download. Once you tap on download, it's gonna show you like this. The video is over there, so you also say download. So this one, if it has a max like this, it is advert. So just press on that X, it's gonna go away. So press it. So it's already downloading. It's already done. So you open it. So our video is here. When you play it, it doesn't have any watermark. So what you do, you go to gallery, place it. Look there. No watermark. No watermark. No watermark. Understand? All right. So this is the second ways, two ways that I know you can download your video on TikTok without watermark. And also, if you want me to download a video on Instagram without watermark, please let me know. I'm gonna show you on how.